What's up guys, and the Unpacked is finally official. Samsung has dropped the teaser for its February Unpacked event, and well, this might just be one of the best Unpacked teasers ever. Finally, the Note and S series are combined together into one beast of a device that's going to be the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. As Samsung says, this will be the most noteworthy S series phone ever. We also have some more Exynos/Qualcomm drama to discuss, plus Galaxy A53 live leak and more. Now starting with the teaser announcement, Samsung dropped this video, but they also published a brand new article on their website discussing the Unpacked 2022 event and further teasing some of the groundbreaking features of the upcoming Galaxy S series. They pretty much confirmed one of the biggest improvement of the camera on the Galaxy S22 series compared to the last year, which is going to be with the night mode. According to Samsung, with the next generation Galaxy smartphone, you will own the night, taking the best and brightest photos and videos you have ever captured with a phone. I'm really looking forward to the video part, especially in low light performance. Now you may be thinking, what type of night improvement are we talking about? Well, we can confirm exclusively that this will be done thanks to the new redesigned AI ISP. The new ISP will allow a combination of 20 photos with one click in seconds, getting rid of all the noise, resulting in an epic night shot. I can't wait to see the actual night mode improvements. Now Samsung further expands on the productivity aspect along with the powerful user experience. The Galaxy S22 series will bring the latest Galaxy software to the table, which is going to be the One UI 4.1. So there we go, the Unpacked event in February, it's now official. The teaser confirms that the noteworthy S series flagship is back with a built-in S Pen. Now for those of you who cannot wait, you can actually reserve the Galaxy S22 or one of the upcoming Tab S8 series model right now as we speak and get $50 free credit. That's not it, Samsung also promised some crazy exclusive offers for those who pre-ordered the Galaxy S22 series. Also in the news, we have a new leak regarding the distribution of Qualcomm/Snapdragon S22 series variants around the world. This news is coming based on the firmware information, so there could still be some changes, but based on this, it seems like the Exynos models could arrive in more regions in combination to the Snapdragon model. Again, this will happen in limited quantities. Majority of the S22 series will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. I really hope that Samsung will have a good cooling system for both Exynos 2200 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 to ensure the best performance without any thermal throttling. Also, we got the live back panel leak for the Galaxy A53. This is going to be one of the hottest mid-range phone from Samsung in 2022. This leak confirms the quad camera positioning on the back, and with that we can have the further confirmation on the design that we have already seen. It is largely similar to the A52. The only big difference is that there is no headphone jack. That's all for today. Let me know what you think about the new teaser, and of course we're gonna see some more teaser images and videos regarding the S22 series in the coming days. If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.